everyone, this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I'm going to make a tutorial video for this tag-shaped mini album set. So this is the whole die set. You will get this piece. This is for making the cover of your mini album, and this one is to make the inner pages. And these are the lace borders you can add on your pocket. And this is the spine, and you also will get 3 flower petals. And let me show you. So this is the flower that I made using this flower die. I think this is very cute. And you also will get this reinforcement and this extra tag. So I have cut 4 pieces of cardstock of this one already, and if you want to make more pages, just cut more pages. And I just want to make an example, so I only cut 4 pieces. And here you can see that I have cut 3 holes here, since there is no punch hole in this cutting die. So you can use your puncture to create this one, or you can use the die in this set. So let me show you how to make it. So first cut out this piece out, and then put this one here. Just layer it in a good way. And here you can see a tiny hole here, right? Use your pen or your any other tool just to mark it in this hole. And here you can see there is a tiny hole here. And then use this one to cut the hole. I like this one, and Nico designed it so you can handle it. So not the original ones that it's only a hole, but it has a bigger plate so you can put on your card. So like this, make sure the hole you marked is in the center of this outer hole. And then run through the machine. So here it's like this. And I also have cut the spine, and this is the layering piece. So just stick them together. And I forgot to mention, but I use this primer cardstock that I cut all these pattern paper. I think they are so pretty. So yeah, I'm happy that I find one in China, since it's very hard to buy the paper collections in China. It's very hard to find, but I'm happy that I find one. So this is the cover that I choose, and just stick it here. And I also have cut the reinforcement. So it has 2 different reinforcements in the set. So these are the 2 which is different. And here is the back side. And for this one, that I want to make a pocket here. So I use this die set. This is the pocket slit die. It's the small size. We also have a big size here. So this time I use this small size. It has 3 different ways to make the pocket slits. So you can choose either one, and this is to decorate your pocket slit. So just like I take this one since I like it has the stitching around, and you can put it in any direction like so, and then run through the machine. So it will look like this. Then you can put your stuff inside, and it also has these. Let me see. It also comes with these lace borders in this tag mini album set that you can use like this. To decorate your pocket. When you have made this pocket, just make sure you don't have any glue in this part, otherwise you can't put anything inside. So just want to make sure of that, because sometimes I will do such stupid thing when I'm making it. So yeah, I just want to remind you in case you are making the same mistake that I have made. And let's make another page. So I'm thinking of making the I use this one to make the back side of the album. So for this part, I also want to make a pocket here and stick it. So now connect these parts together. And now adding the inner pages. It has quite a big space that you can put many pages inside. And this time I choose this one to create the pocket. And I'm thinking of making 2 pockets in this page. See, it looks like this. Okay, so when I want to put the lace border here, I see it's a little longer. You can trim off the extra part. So it looks like this. And for the inner pages, you can have 2 different ways of stick it. So you can stick them one by one like so. So like this. Or if you want to make it like something like this, I don't know how to call that, but if you want to make multiple pages, you can stick it. I think, am I doing the wrong? Oh yeah, I can still stick it here so I can hide the glue flaps. So see, you can make it like this. And let me do this one to you. So first stick this glue flap here. And then stick this page on the spine. So when you open it, it will look like this. See? So just different ways of adding your inner pages. And you can also make a pocket here just by adding another piece of cardstock here, and just to make it as a pocket. So I'm just making an example for you of how to make this mini album, but you can have endless ways of decorate your mini album. See how cute to put your embellishment in this one, and you can also decorate it and put your photos over. Super cute, right? I think it's very fun to make a mini album. So this is all for the mini album tutorial today. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment. I will answer you as soon as possible. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day. I will catch you in my next craft video. Bye bye.